Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique Lachey for those who don't know me, and I want to thank Wigmouth for sponsoring this video. Y'all, this look is to die for. I ain't gonna do too much talking. Let's get into the video.
She mad at her nigga, she mine for the night. The weed I'm selling stronger than a Sprite. All my niggas gon' ride like a bike, and she gon' get left if she don't get right.
What's up, y'all? I got Dominique Lachey in the building. Shout out to Wigmouth sponsoring this video. D-Side is actually finna slay my hair, slay my wig. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so before putting on the wig, y'all, you want to remove anything like makeup or whatever is on your forehead. You want to remove that with an alcohol pad.
Alright, these are the two wig caps that they provided her with. One is got a light skinned friend looking like a Michael Jackson. Got a dark skinned friend looking like a Michael Jackson. We're gonna go probably with the dark skinned friend to look like Michael Jackson, not the light skinned friend, because we don't want to get powdered on the part. Okay. If you don't want to do the wig cap, you can just get you a little makeup. Get you a little makeup and get you a brush. We're gonna put this makeup on this brush and we're gonna tint this lace. Okay, take one pump, put it on your brush like that. Take your finger to you know what I'm saying? Hit them. This is light skin, right? But once you get the going in like this right here, see, there you go.
Would y'all be friends if y'all weren't sisters?
Probably. Destiny had a Benz, so that'll be
Really?
Destiny had a Benz, so that'll hype me up.
I'll be a great passenger.
You know what?
I'll be on the passenger side.
No, because Boone is like my alter ego, so I naturally gravitate towards Sanchez anyway.
Yeah, everybody likes Sag.
I really do.
I think it's no zodiac sign that dislikes Sag.
Yeah. I mean, that when he close in age, so we could cross paths and end up friends anyway.
No, I'm hanging on the passenger side of my best friend's ride, saying, "Ain't screwing me. I need to be in the
ride hard."
Niggas ain't nice, I'm sipping on hen, I'm eating on rice, and I ain't going for nothing. Whole city know what's up with a nigga. How about that machine?
Because at least I know when somebody say the whole thing that they know me in real life.
Make her want to cuff a nigga. Everywhere I go, I'm flexing, and I ain't even buffalo nigga. You gon' lose your life if you reach or touch me, nigga. Cartier frames, I see life different. Real Memphis nigga, I be kicking my pimp. All this sauce that I'm dripping, got a ticket for litter. See the realest nigga walking when I'm looking in the mirror. Shout out to God, he blessing me. When you ain't around, she
say another. You know, say another.
Texting me, got blue tips for any nigga with loose lips. Ripping through your vest, my G. Pinky and thumb, they won't.
That's how people not be taking for pictures and you can go.
Nigga won't smoke, he shot in the lung. Like a parade, I keep me a drum. Like roadside, keep me a pump. I text her, told her let's go out for lunch. She at where we is, you my little chun. Baby so fine, I hit from the front.
Alright you guys, now I'm gonna go in with the Ghost Bond Classic. This is invisible bonding for poly and lace system. I'm gonna cut the lace off on camera because I hate when people do videos with all this extra lace up on there showing how to glue it down, but once the person at home, you cut it out, how in the world is you supposed to know how to glue the cotton picking wig down? So I'm gonna cut it off and show you how to apply your wig without the lace attached to it, okay?
I hit from the front, she got on top, I'm grabbing her throat. She gone off that liquor, driving the boat, sipping Casamigos. She put on the show when them shots get in her, you know how that.
Alright, then I'm gonna finish this, okay? Needing one in the middle part, so in order for me to make sure, cause as you all see, I haven't pre-parted this or anything. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna part it myself. This right here is always in the middle, right? So when I put this on the nape of her neck, I'm gonna put this in the middle. How do I know where the middle is? These little two things right here. You put your finger right here, that's the middle right there. And when I be gluing wigs on, I ain't gonna have this all the way pulled down, cause I want to make sure that this lace is super glued down before I get the secure in the back. So when you put your wig on, don't have that, oh, I ain't gonna tuck it. Do all that when you done. Do all that when you done. And I always make sure you hit your leg when you talking to me.
They go, I'm in the A with, and I got my K with, trying to get shot in your face with. So nigga don't play with,
Right now what I'm doing is I'm just fitting the wig to her head without it being glued down, so I can see where my glue and everything need to be, where my placement of everything need to be at. Okay? I be deciding if I want the big forehead or smaller forehead. That's all.
especially when baby with me. Not play with. She gangsta cute face with. She ain't gon' play with. Whole spot gon' shake, nigga. Niggas can't see me like Ray, nigga. And I'm shining like a Ray, nigga. And I can put it on any day, Monday through Sunday. Of the week, everything on fleek. Designer shoot my feet, yeah. Remember them days when I didn't have it? I ain't going back to that no more. Used to have grands like I was a granddaddy. They slangin' dope. Mom, I seen a dead body walking from the corner store. Ate free lunch, now I'm out here ballin' like a give and go. She mad at her nigga, she mine for the night. The weed I'm sellin' stronger than a Sprite. All my niggas gon' ride like a bike, and she gon' get left if she don't get right. My dog got caught, he fightin' for his life. A convicted felon still ride with his pipe. So go with your move, my niggas ain't nice.
Hold it right there tight and press up against your head. Hold it tight. Tighter with 4 fingers. You got your phone and going on. I'm not worried about all these. We ain't trying to get it. We trying to very much.
I'm sipping on hen, I'm eating on rice, and I ain't going for nothing. Hoes didn't know what's up with a nigga. How about that machine? Make her wanna cuff a nigga. Everywhere I go, I'm flexing, and I ain't even buffalo nigga. You gon' lose your life if you reach or touch me, nigga.
Okay, this is the hair. How you want to give natural Rapunzel vibes? We're gonna take this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. Oop, oop, oop. Okay. Now I'm gonna put a conditioner.
She told me she ain't the same, but I don't see no difference. She know I'm getting money, so I'm gon' hit. Gon' let me hit, and I be solo. I don't see no nigga. I don't complain. I just go and get it. Straight from the top on the rocky road. My Fruit Loops had a roach in the bowl. Heaven on earth, want diamonds and gold. I pray to the Lord that He save my soul, 'cause I'm gon' die about that paper. Yeah, I can't let no nigga play me. I told her I'll see you later, baby. I gotta go, baby. I can't do no late. Look, I ain't been kicking it on the weekend. Jumped off that water in the deep end. Look, I up this stick, give me a reason. 'Cause these youngest dying, I'm on defense. Look, let me guess, your lad man ain't treat you right.
Okay, y'all, to get this wet look, you just gonna continue to do all the steps that you just saw with the spray bottle, what you see right there in the Eco Stylish gel, and just work all that into the entire wig. And y'all, look at their hair, baby. Look at the waves, look at the curl. Quit playing with these sides.
It's all about an image, wanna post some on the gram. She just wants something she can post, yeah. And can you hold a nigga down? My relationship goes, that's what I need to know, for real, nigga.
Okay, so now that all the styling of the wig is done, she's basically taking, baby, hold on. Look at this. Look at the melt on this wig. Look at the melt. These side, wig my, y'all did something. Put them two together and this is what you get. Okay, y'all, so I asked for a middle part, so that's all she doing while the hair is wet. It's basically making the part. Y'all know I don't do wigs, like I'm trying to explain it to y'all, but yeah, make that part.
For some time, for real. I don't care what you think about me, but we can get it poppin', little nigga. And I used to share clothes with Lil B. He going to the top, nigga. She told me she ain't the same, but I don't see no difference. She know I'm getting money, so I'm gon' hit. Let me hit, and I be solo. I don't see no nigga. No. I don't complain. I just go and get it. Yeah, I don't care what you think about me, but we can get it poppin', little nigga. And I used to share clothes with Lil B. Yeah, I love you, my nigga. Yeah. I don't see no difference. That's what they all say. But I don't see no difference. You ain't the same. But I don't see no difference. Yeah. 'Cause all
Okay, y'all. This is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all want to see more styles on this wet look. Comment down below. But baby, this might hurt. This right here, to die for. And this is the loose, did I say that? The loose deep wave 26 inch. I'm short, so it just look long on me. But it is 26 inches. Yes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We out of here. We lit. Is it a vlog gonna be on here? It might be a vlog on here, so keep watching. I don't know. But, baby, y'all already know. Y'all already know. We lit.